Say goodbye to dog and cat urine. Once you apply this mixture on the premises, you will never see the animal's urine in your home again. To start today's tip, in a container, I will add 200 milliliters of alcohol. If you prefer, you can use a glass with measurements. Alcohol is one of the main items for this mixture for its bactericidal effect. I'm sure you'll thank me for this tip today. Next, I will use detergent. The ideal amount for the use of this mixture is 150 milliliters. You can use the brand you prefer. Ideally mix well as soon as you add a new ingredient. This mixture serves perfectly also for cleaning. If you prefer, you can even add some aroma to improve the smell of the product. Now I will add only the juice of a lemon. If you prefer, you can use a juicer. I'm sure you will no longer have problems again with urine, mainly from dogs and inappropriate places. To finish, I will also use 4 tablespoons of disinfectant, being essential for cleaning. And this tip will help directly in the urine of animals, all unwanted places for urines of cats and dogs. After cleaning and once you apply, this mixture will never have problems again. The ideal is to apply this mixture at least twice a day in the places until the animals do not urinate again. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Mary Birch from Ohio. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. To facilitate the application of this product, I will put all the liquid in a spray bottle, which will make the application easier. To avoid waste, I will use a funnel. This spray bottle has a capacity of 200 milliliters and is enough for application for at least 2 weeks. Soon you will no longer have problems with the smell of urine from cats and dogs in your home. If your dog or cat pees in inappropriate places, this video is perfect for you. I'm sure all your acquaintances will be impressed to discover this tip. So simple to avoid the smell of pet urine. Tell me later if you got the desired result with the use of this mixture. Thank you for watching this tip so far. See you in the next video. Bye.